Here's a quick overview of a seat that I received out of Paris, France. The name of the company is called Sellerie. It is two words, top and then Sellerie, S-E-L-L-E-R-I-E. I gotta tell you, I'm super happy with this seat. It is a gel seat front and rear. The quality of the material is top. I would say definitely top end. What I really like about it is this part here, here, and here. This looks like carbon fiber, but as you can see, it's nice and soft. And it's got a nice shiny look to it. The stitching and the beading is perfect. Just so happens to match my motorcycle perfectly. This is silver. This leather here is not slippery, and the stitching, as you can see, is also top quality. Very comfortable in the back. The rear passenger, depending on how low you install the front seat, right now there really won't be any sliding forward, if not much at all, from the rear passenger if you slam your brakes. My all-time favorite part about this seat is full throttle in first or second gear. You can go full throttle without sliding backwards. On my two other seats that I have for the bike, I've got a factory seat and then another aftermarket seat that does not have this backing here to keep you from sliding backwards. So the confidence that you have when you do accelerate, you can actually shift gears with confidence and not worry about sliding backwards, because previously I had to put pressure on these pegs and lean forward while shifting, which was a total distraction. So from a distance you can kind of get an idea of the seat, and if you're looking for it, Google it, Sellerie, or you'll find it on eBay.